Hi, I'm Michael Patak, founder of Topstep, and today I got some exciting news about an opportunity for you to earn a first payout bonus. So this is all for the funded level traders. So when you take a withdrawal, and it is your first time taking a withdrawal on that funded account, you will receive a bonus back into your credit card or whatever you just paid to that is equal to whatever last month bill was for your trading combine. Now what's exciting about this is you're able to earn this bonus each time you earn a funded account. This is our way of saying thank you for working hard, having the guts, the grits, the determination, the consistency, and the discipline to earn yourself a funded level account and to build that account up big enough that you are able to take your own withdrawal, pay yourself, and then it's us paying you and saying great work. And we have more rewards that are coming that if you do something like that, if you do X, you're going to earn Y. That makes it really exciting for me to give you this bonus. So the first payout bonus, this is coming to you and all the funded traders that take their first payout. See you in the markets. Congratulations on all those that take that first payout bonus. Trade smart and always trade for tomorrow.